In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and clicking on sound and vibration. Then hit vibration and haptics and use the switcher to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also use all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you finished, go back, scroll down and use this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!